In this video, I will cover the overall controller settings on the 7-inch embedded touchscreen. Press on Settings at the top of the screen. On the left, the buttons are available to trip the shunts of each console. You can change the console units from Celsius to Fahrenheit here. Once you've pressed on the button, you can see the temperature readings have changed and the units are now different. Back in the settings screen, you will see the locking button. Click it to lock the controls. Now, going back to the home screen, you will not be able to start or stop any of the channels. To unlock, go back to the settings screen and press on the unlock button. You will need to enter the unlock code. Now it is unlocked again, and you can use it as normal. Back on the settings screen, you can press on the remote connection button. Here you'll find the controller information and the tools to connect to and control another controller from the screen. Thank you for watching. Please check out the rest of the video tutorials on how to use the user-friendly HeatView software, or go to heatview.ca and click on the Contact Us button if you need any more support.